Cleanse your body, heal your life. A clean body is a healthy body, and a healthy body is a positive and vibrant mind. My name is Robert, I'm from Nature Heal, and we regularly take clients through a structured internal hygiene cleanse with one-on-one coaching and support. When we simultaneously stop the process of intoxication via our food and drink choices, and we start the process of elimination, cleansing, then healing occurs very rapidly. When we cleanse our body, we boost our metabolism. When we boost our metabolism, we automatically elevate energy levels and overall health and immunity. With a clean and fresh body, when our cells and our organs are vibrating harmoniously, we automatically elevate our well-being and we feel positive and vibrant. First, it starts with a bowel cleanse, where we strip the bowel clean and we repopulate with healthy bowel flora. Then it's a liver flush, and then it's a short fast. It's a lot easier when you have a health coach and a guide to show you how to do it. Let nature be your healer. If you have any questions and you'd like to know more, please ask.